So I've conducted the perfect search for the project that I'm working on. I just want to go ahead and save the results so that I can come back to these items later as I'm working on them. If I wanted to save the full list, the perfect search that I have just done, I'm going to search for this pushpin icon. And at the top of the list, I'll click Save Query. You will see that that query has now been saved to my favorites. If I wanted to search for a specific item again and wanted to remember that item, I would just click the pushpin next to that specific item. And again, that has been saved to my favorites. In order to go back and view my favorites again later, you look for that same pushpin icon up at the very top of the page next to where it says My Account. You'll see it says Go to My Favorites. If I click on that, you'll see that I have saved records. Those are the individual items that I have saved in my searches. And I can also go to Saved Searches, where I can find the full list of the searches that I have completed on Roald Dahl. And this will take me right back to that list once I've clicked on it.